Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how to scan QR codes using this laptop's web camera. To do this, first make sure that your manual camera shutter is opened and your camera is colored black and not red. Then open the Start menu, go to List of all applications, and right here you'll be able to find Camera. Open this application, then change your camera mode on the right side to barcode mode. And once you do this, wait until your camera enables. And once it does, face the QR code to your laptop's camera and once you see the link on your screen, you can click on it to open, and this way you'll be transferred to a website or any other resource that was hidden in this QR code. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.